Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your monthly budgeting with American Express easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log into your American Express account on the website or app. Navigate to the Account Services or Account Management section. Look for the Budgeting Tools option in the menu. Click on Create a new budget or Set up budgeting. Select the month for which you want to create the budget. Input your expected income for that month. Break down your expenses by category, such as groceries, utilities, and entertainment. Use recommended categories or create custom ones to fit your lifestyle. Set spending limits for each category based on your financial goals. Review the suggested allocations to ensure they align with your priorities. Enable the recurring expenses option for regular payments like rent or subscriptions. Add any fixed or periodic expenses into your budget. Check the Analytics or Insights section for historical spending data. Adjust your budget based on previous spending patterns if necessary. Once your budget is complete, click Save or Submit to confirm your setup. Choose to receive monthly alerts regarding your budget status. Regularly review your budget to track your spending. Adjust it as needed throughout the month to stay on target. Explore additional features like tips for saving money or reaching financial goals. Log out of your account once you're finished to keep your information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.